Hi students, let's have a look at this problem. It says solve for x raised to the power 4 minus 10x square plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so here the highest power on the variable is 4 and such an equation is known as a quartic equation. You should not confuse this with quadratic equation which has 2 as the highest power in the variable. So let's go ahead and try to solve this quartic equation. X raised to the power 4 minus 10x square plus 9 equal to 0. Now, right off the bat, I can see that this kind of resembles the quadratic equation. What do I mean by that? What I mean is you can rewrite this equation like this. X square raised to the whole power 2 minus 10x square plus 9 equal to 0. So basically, this looks like a quadratic equation. And only thing is that the variable, the basic variable is now x square. Instead of x as the variable, we have x square as the basic variable. So to make things simpler, I can rewrite this as u is equal to x square. So this is called as u substitution because instead of x square, I'm using u. So I'll rewrite this as u square minus 10u plus 9 equal to 0. I hope this is clear to you. Now, instead of x square, I am using another variable u, where u is equal to x square. Now, this is a typical quadratic equation, and let's go ahead and try to solve it as one. So the two pairs of numbers are going to be minus 9 and minus 1. Then we would get u square minus 9u minus u plus 9 equal to 0. Now let's factorize this. Minus 9, and then you have u minus 9 and minus 1 equal to 0. So basically you get u minus 9 and u minus 1 equal to 0. Now what we have is u minus 9 into u minus 1 equal to 0. Now since u is equal to x square, I will substitute x square in the place of u here. X square minus 9, x square minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so this means what? X square minus 9 is equal to 0. And or x square minus 1 equal to 0. So let me individually solve them. Again, I have a quadratic equation now after the u substitution. So let me solve this. Now, if you are aware of the product of differences, you will know that you can rewrite this as x plus 3 into x minus 3. That is the product of these two differences will give us x square minus 9. So this is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 3 or minus 3. Now let's take this. X square minus 1 is equal to 0. Again, using the result of product of differences, I can rewrite it like this. So which means x is equal to 1 or minus. Okay. So there are 4 answers because the highest power in the variable is 4. So a quartic equation will have 4 roots, just as a quadratic equation has 2 roots, and a cubic equation has 3 roots. Okay, of course, instead of using the product of differences, there are simpler methods. X square minus 9 is equal to 0. You can rewrite it as x square is equal to 9. Therefore, x has to be plus or minus 3. Similarly, x square minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x square equal to 1. So x is equal to plus or minus. So the four roots of this equation are 3 minus 3 and 1 minus 1. And this equation will be symmetric with respect to the y-axis. Because of the, if you look at the roots, they are all negatives of each other. 3 minus 3 and 1 minus 1. I hope this is clear to you now. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, you can ask it in the comment section. Thank you.